The key to the Skansie house is in the lockbox to the left of the building. Push the buttons firmly, then open the box and retrieve the key. Be sure to turn the key to the left and push the door as you enter. Place the signs on the lawn and in front of the Skansie house. Turn the lights on. To turn on the television in the microscope room, use the remote control. One hard push should do it. Then, make sure the lights are on and working on the microscope. They are located at the back. The dissecting scopes should be turned on by users. To ensure the safety and health of our animals, it's important that their water remains cool. Bring the chiller log with you into the kitchen and note the temperature on the black chiller boxes located under the stand of the eelgrass tank and to the left of the touch tank. Turn the lights on over the touch tank by pushing both rocker switches on the light housing above. Then turn on the television located in the middle of the TV and you're ready to go. Leave the light off in the sandbox room, but turn on the projector. The remote control is housed in the cabinet. Push hard on the red button one time and you should see green lights blinking on the projector. Fill the dog bowl at the sink and place it outside on the sidewalk. Our thirsty canine friends thank you. Open the drapes by tying with the rope. If it's a hot day, you may wish to open the windows to get some airflow in the Skansie house. Flip the sign from closed to open, and you're ready for business. Make sure the door is open and ready for visitors. If you'd like, you can prop it open using the doorstop. At 4 o'clock and not before, it's time to close. Flip the sign from open to closed. Remove the signs from outside the Skansie house and bring them indoors. You may place them here so they are out of the way. Empty the dog bowl on the thirstiest looking plants and bring it indoors. Rinse the bowl so it's ready for tomorrow and set it on the sink to dry. To turn off the projector, use the remote control and push the power button twice, firmly. The projector will shut off when it has cooled down. You will hear 2 loud beeps that indicate it is off. Turn off the lights using the rocker switches on the top of the touch tank and turn off the television in the middle of the screen. Make sure the back door is locked and turn off the lights. Lock the windows and close the blinds. Use the remote control to turn off the television, turn off the microscope, but don't touch the surge protector. It should remain on. Turn off the lights. Making sure the porch light is on, then close the door behind you. Double check that the door is locked, and you're good to go.